Hello, I got your question about number 47 on the practice exam. This comes from section 4 and chapter 8. It's like 14 out of the book. Again, I wasn't real sure which parts you had questioned about. This time I just worked the first couple of parts. A state-by-state survey found that the proportion of adults who are smokers in state A and B were 17.3% and 25.5%. So this is a proportion problem this time. Suppose the number of response from each, so they had 2,000 from each state, at alpha equal 0.05. Can you support the claim that portion of adults who are smokers greater than in state A than state B? Assume it's a random sample, independent. Complete parts A through E. I can only take a picture of part of it. So I guess you may have noticed it's greater than here. Smokers greater in state A than B. So the claim is a portion of adult smokers in state A is greater than proportion in B. So you want to set up your hypothesis would be, well, your alternative hypothesis will be P1 is greater than P2. Then therefore the null hypothesis is P1 is less than or equal to P2. And this is your claim here. You want to find the critical value. This time you need to use the normal calculator. So if you click on stats, calculators, and choose normal calculator, this pops up. You can see it's a right-tailed test. Alpha, what was it given? It's given as 0.05. So it's since z-score, you leave mean 0 and 1, the standard deviation. Alpha is 0.05, and you click on compute, and this number here comes up. You gotta have greater than there, and it comes up 1.644. So you want to round it 2 places, and you put it in there. So hope this helps.